This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. Today, we're diving deep into the electric standing desk adjustable, specifically the spacious 60 by 28-inch model. What truly sets this desk apart isn't just its size or electric height adjustment, but its incredibly robust double-beam frame and a solid 1-inch thick tabletop, features often reserved for much pricier competitors. Is this the sturdy, reliable upgrade your home office needs, or just another hyped product? So, what exactly is this electric standing desk? It's a versatile workspace solution designed to transform your home office setup from static to dynamic. At its core, it's an adjustable height desk that allows you to effortlessly switch between sitting and standing positions throughout your workday. This particular model, with its generous 60 by 28-inch surface, offers ample space for multiple monitors, your laptop, keyboard, mouse, and even a few personal items without feeling cramped. It's built for anyone looking to improve their posture, boost productivity, and alleviate the fatigue of prolonged sitting. The quiet electric motor and memory presets make the transition smooth and user-friendly, pushing it far beyond a basic, static desk. Let's explore the standout features that make this electric standing desk a strong contender for your home office. First, the spacious 60 by 28-inch tabletop. This generous size is crucial for productivity. It comfortably fits multiple monitors, your laptop, and all peripherals, leaving ample room for notes and essentials. Say goodbye to cramped workspaces and hello to an organized, focused environment that truly boosts your daily output. Second, the robust 1-inch thick tabletop. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about unwavering durability. Unlike thinner surfaces that can sag or feel unstable, this substantial thickness provides a rock-solid, premium feel. Your valuable equipment rests on a sturdy, long-lasting platform that won't flex, offering ultimate peace of mind. Third, the double-beam frame for exceptional stability. This is a critical advantage. Many standing desks suffer from wobble at elevated heights. This desk's double-beam construction provides exceptional rigidity and stability, even at your maximum standing position. You get a firm, unwavering platform for typing and monitors, reducing distractions and enhancing overall comfort. Fourth, the 3 memory height presets. This feature truly delivers on convenience. Program your ideal sitting and standing heights, then switch between them with a single button press. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.